this is intermission, folks, alright? This is intermission, so we're going to have a little sing-along where you can sing along and you can pitch in. Thanks.
I need you to sing the first verse, so come on out. You ready? I'll cue you. I love you more
Than a fish loves water.
and I love you more than something that rhymes with water. And I love you more
Than a closet loves toys.
and I love you more than girls love boys. And if you ever lose something I know,
I will always love you too.
I will always.
Love you.
And I love you more.
Then the sun loves to shine.
Good one. And I love you more than you love to stay up past your bedtime.
Everybody loves each other in the world. Everybody sings together in a family. Everybody has a choice to make. In life.
Take it away. Come on over here and sing. Ready, so. I love you more.
Then bugs love to crawl.
That's good. And I love you more than teenagers love the mall. Rhymes with crawl. I love you more.
Then I love Cubby Bears.
And she loves Cubby Bear, trust me. And I love you more.
Then lips love to kiss.
That's good. And I love you more.
Than anything in the world.
That's good. Let's do the last one. And I love you more than my legs love my feet.
I love you more than anything.
And I love you more
more
than my heart
even
loves
when
to
you love me.
beat.
In the world.
But if you ever forget, you can listen to this song. And you will know that I love
I
you
love you more.
more.
In
So is it like, and I love you more than bears love honey.
I love you more. Even true.
And I love you more than a bank loves money.
I love you more than I love the world. I love you more than God in the sky. All right, folks, we'll have our dance now.
I love you more than a high loves a five.
I missed. A misser.
Oh no!
Oh no, what?
The spaghetti sauce splattered all over the kitchen.